Yeah, we have thousands a day right now signing up in Save Club. And will that be you? Most people sign up to be members. They want to save money on things they're already buying, and that could be you. But if you watch my channel, I'm about making money. All right, I'm pretty darn successful in many areas online, many businesses, and I had no idea until I started trying. A couple years ago, I started just making videos like this, talking to my webcam, talking to my cell phone, posting here on social media, answering emails, inbox messages on Facebook. And before I know it, I've become pretty darn successful inviting people to click a link. And when you click that link, it goes to a web page that just has a video. And from there, all the recruiting, the information, everything you need to know to make a decision about if you want to join or not is all on that web page. So if you have 80 bucks, $19.97, you got to be a member. 60 bucks, you got to go ahead and spend that 60, invest it, because you're going to get a full-blown website, customer service, and right now the website is being built and improved on every single day. We already have about 70,000 opportunities to save on products and service. And the reason why Save Club is so darn interesting, and I can't believe that no one has done this before, but you guys have heard of Groupon, Price Savers, Priceline with William Shatner. Oh, what else? Orbitz. There's a lot of clubs that you can save, but you know what? If they have a budget to advertise, they usually give it to a celebrity like the Kardashians. Could be a sports figure, maybe an actor, or just someone that's an influencer on YouTube who lights farts like Mr. Beast. But with Save Club, it's worldwide. Okay, stay with me. Worldwide. It's going to be in every city, every state, every country. But there's an affiliate side to it where you get paid, not the celebrities. Not those influencers. If you want to light farts on fire and join Mr. Beast, then knock yourself out. Just be careful. Have some baby wipes and take care of that tuchus. Okay. Maybe you can get deals on baby wipes because, yes, Walmart is a part of Save Club. And so are some of the biggest Fortune 50, 100, and Fortune 500 companies in the world. Flights, hotel, insurance, dental, gasoline, diesel, food, of course, water, gyms, SiriusXM, Discount Tire. I could go on because, yes, there's 70,000 opportunities already just here in America. We're going to Canada. Yes, we're going down below to Australia, New Zealand, and New Guinea. Then we'll swim across the pond and go to Brazil, work on our tans. And then, of course, all over African and Asian territories. Right now, daily, I get, today I got Portugal. Someone from Portugal said, when are you going to come? And I'm like, just give us time, guys. As of today, June 20th, we're only 20 days old because June 1st is when we said ready, set, go at midnight. So in 20 days, tens of thousands of people signing up, thousands a day, and affiliates. And we don't have a lot of affiliates right now. So to say that we're mopping up right now, I like that. Our teams are definitely substantially bigger than if probably you wait till 3, 6, 9 months, maybe next year. But we're on course to probably sign up, I'd say about 5 to 10 million people, because that's the average with Groupon, Priceline, Orbitz, except we're worldwide. We're international. We're looking pretty large in charge, right? Can you imagine 10, 20 million people signed up saving all over the world? It's going to increase our savings substantially because the more people that join Save Club, those businesses are going to offer an even better opportunity to save. They want your business. You can even put your business inside Save Club. Do you want me to show you how? Because most people don't. Now, if you do join, this is what the back office looks like. Now, scroll down. Do you see where it says My Deals? Click that. And guess what? Go to the very bottom. And do you see here where it says Get Started? Are you a merchant and want to work with us? I wish it would say, are you a business? Are you a merchant? Are you a service and want to work with us? Just click Get Started, fill out the information, and guess what? If you're a gym or, I don't know, maybe a movie theater, how about I got my friend's tanning salon here in Salt Lake City already in. That's how you submit your business and service. And if you're approved, I think you have a good chance of increasing business because people join this club to find people like you And as long as you give them a deal, they're going to come in. And if you give them just kick-ass service, or if your product is just rocking, I think they're going to go back. I sure am. I've saved over $900 the first 2 months. I joined 40 some odd days ago because I joined during the pre-launch. And during that time, discount tire, purple mattress, food, Sirius XM. I got an emission test. I got some cool stuff done. And my total savings over a 45-day period came over $900. I was hoping to reach 1,000, but I wanted to be honest and try to save on things I'm buying no matter what. I didn't want to go out of my way so I could have a cool video and say 1,000. But I'll tell you what, even if I save $200 in 1 month, that's crazy because it's only $19.97. That is it, not a penny more. And you can see right here, look, Chuck E. Cheese. And this is just local. Do you see when I hit my deals tab? I put in Salt Lake City 84123. That's just a random zip code here. Or you can put in Walmart, dental, health, gasoline, diesel. Do you want to go to Disneyland? Do you want to eat at Schlotsky's? Ooh, that's pretty good. Do you want to go to California and check out Universal Studios or go to, I think there's one in Florida, isn't there? Yeah, there we go. Look, Disneyland Resort, Orlando. Do you need insurance? How about Progressive, Travelers, Safeco Insurance, Liberty Mutual, just massive billion-dollar businesses. Dick's Sporting Goods, of course. It's summertime. Today is June 1st, the first day of summer in 2025. So I'm feeling pretty good. But look at all these. Look at all these deals. I could literally do a 10-hour video and go through every single category. But I highly recommend that you eat pizza and you have maybe, I don't know, how about Applebee's? That's a really good place. Save 10%. It's like, your tip's free. Let's say your bill's $50. That's nice to save that money. Look at all these deals. Look, dollar cuts. I could probably get a haircut since my hair is about 4 feet long. Oh, look at all these things here. Look, Growing Empire, Stage Right. I don't even know what these are, but it's fun just to click and see what Ivory Commercial is. The Learning Tree School. That's important if you have some kids that need little brain smarts. Check that out. Snake River Farms. Doesn't that look good? There's Chuck E. Cheese. That's pizza again. It's kind of fun for your kids. But you guys check it out. Just put your zip code in there and search and go crazy. But give us time, guys. We're only 20 days old. Hang in there if you're out of state, out of country. We're going to reach you. But right now, I recommend that you lock in. Just spend that $60. Become an affiliate now. Do not wait. Because if you do, another 1,000 people are going to sign up tomorrow. Today is Friday, going on Saturday. Well, guess what? Over the weekend, we'll probably have 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 people sign up. And they can only sign up under affiliates, and we barely have any. It's very rare that I do a video like this where I put a little bit of a fire underneath your little wing wang. Okay, you need to take action. If you're going to do this, just have faith. It's only $19.97 a month. If you want to be an affiliate, it's $60. Let's get you 3 signups right away because this company pays every Friday. And you get $20 to $32 depending on your group size, how big's your team, and your commissions. But right now, minimum $20. So we get 3 people, you get your money back. But then let's get you saving money too. Deal? All right, come on, high five me now. So you're going to have fun being a member. You're going to search all over the place. And then you'll probably be pretty happy with this opportunity. And you'll start telling people what you're doing, and that's saving money on things you're already buying. I think it's rather easy and it's not embarrassing to tell people about this opportunity because other companies that have a multi-pay, they're called MLMs, as you know. This is not an MLM. It pays like one though. And it's not embarrassing because you're just inviting people to save money. And if they don't want to do it, they don't want to do it. It's $19.97 a month. If they don't want it anymore, they just quit paying. It's pretty simple. And what I do is this, joinsaveclub.org. That is the official link. You want to click it. You want to go and fill this form out. I'm going to show you right here below. Put your contact information in, hit the orange button there, and you're going to get a nice email from Save Club. Open it up and join, or just save those emails and learn more about this business. And definitely when you click joinsaveclub.org, will you please watch this video too? It's a short little YouTube video. It's only a few minutes long, but you can get to know our founder. His name's Charles Moy. All right. So anyway, training is there. You go to the training tab. We have thousands of pictures, hundreds and hundreds, and soon thousands of videos that are for you. You just upload them wherever you want. Make sure your link goes to your business. And where do you get those links? Right here. See where it says my websites? Okay, right where it says Powerline landing page. Right below there's 4 videos. This first one, I've signed up over 103 people. Here's the second video, the third video, and the fourth video. Oh, and there's the 5th one. I'm sorry, this debuted today. This one specializes in food. See where it says foodie? But I love number 3 too. Check out all of them though. You might like them better than I do, but I'm just telling you, personal experience. I've signed up 100 with video 1. I think number 3 is awesome. See where it says page 3? And then check out the foodie too, because you can recruit just by using food alone. I mean, hell, I go to Wendy's for Frosties, Burger King for Whoppers. I eat things that are bad for you, but you know what? If you're going to eat bad things, you might as well save money, because then you can afford to buy more bad things. Or go to Walmart and buy some diet products, especially if you're going to have some of those darn Whoppers. I call them whoopties. So anyway, this is where you can get 5 pages. And do you see where there's a link right below each one? All you do is copy that and invite people to it. All right. Tons of training. We have 3 live Zooms, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We actually have a live Zoom in exactly 25 minutes. I record them all, and you can see them on my YouTube channel. Okay, here's my YouTube channel right there, Official Save Club. Right there, just search for Cory J. Draper, or look for my yellow face, or just search for this term right here, Official Save Club. And check this out. Let me go to playlists. I'll show you how serious I take Save Club. When I go to the playlists, do you see where you can see how many videos are inside a playlist? Well, look where it says Save Club. In a month and a half, I've already uploaded 422 videos. Guys, in the next couple of years, I'm going to have thousands. I want to dominate. I want to kick butt on YouTube, and I want to show you how I do it. And remember, there's thousands of videos, thousands of pictures that are going to be right there waiting for you. As long as you pay that $60, you're going to have access to it. So don't mess around too long, because it is June 20th. We're only 20 days old, and we're going to be signing up thousands of people tomorrow on Saturday, thousands on Sunday, and yes, on Monday, we're going to be signing up thousands too, because this is a worldwide business, not just like isolated on the East Coast, West Coast here in America. When you got billions and billions and billions of people that like to shop and like to save money, once they hear about Save Club, they're going to be joining. All right, and they can only join underneath affiliates. So I hope you go to joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and click that. Let's bring you aboard, and I'll show you everything I can to be successful. Even if you're not in my group, don't worry about it. I'm not shy. Go ahead, email me. If you have questions, I'll make you a video that answers it, or I probably already have a video that's already answered whatever question you have, because it's all about marketing. If you ask me, you're always going to go, how do I do this? How do I email properly without getting in trouble? Or how should I answer someone if they inbox me on Facebook? And oh my gosh, wonder if people pre-enroll. Should I send them a message, or should I just go, oh God, I'm scared. I don't want to talk to anybody. All right, you'll overcome every fear that you can possibly imagine right now if you're new. If you have 0 experience, don't worry about it. If you did something 30 years ago and you've been retired and now you want to earn some extra money, awesome. But at the end of the day, I want you to invite people to a link that goes to a page that has a video, and then they can sign up. That's it. The more simple you make Save Club, the better. And then just have fun going into the My Deals tab, and if you want to save money, please do so. Don't be lazy and go to Discount Tire without checking. Don't go to Walmart without checking your phone to see what deals are there. If you go to Burger King, of course you're going to have one of those dang Whoppers. Why not save money? SiriusXM. I'm trying to think of all the deals I've done. I went to Kurt's Car Wash here in Take 5 in Salt Lake City. Purple mattress so I can sleep like a little baby. There's a lot of cool savings just here in Utah where I live. I can't even imagine in 6 months to a year, there'll be millions and millions of people joined and millions of products and services worldwide where you can go ahead and save money. Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for your time. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like I said, Cory at CoryDraper.com. Email me anytime. If I can help you, I surely will. Thanks, guys, for the last 15 minutes. You guys have a good weekend if you're watching me live. Okay, we'll talk to you soon.